guys, so welcome back to Snoop's Gang, and today I am making Parma violet cupcakes with my mum. This is what they're meant to look like. Hey guys, it already comes with Parma violets, two packs of them, but I'm also going to grab more from my sweet box. Okay, got 3. Okay, so I've only got 3 Parma violet packets, but that's okay. So this is my first time cracking an egg. Don't get any shells in. Yes, I didn't break the yolk. And there's no shells in there. So now
We're still recording, you know that, right?
Yeah, I know. But look, Mum, my first time cracking an egg, and I didn't break the yolk, and it looks so good. The yolk's massive. Look how big the yolk is. Alrighty, so now we're gonna pour in this mixture. I'm gonna sift it in. No, softly pour it in. And I'll be back.
Butter even.
A bit of butter, and then how much do you do that? Should I mix it with that fork?
No.
I'm gonna grab a whisk.
Put it there.
I knew that the whisk was not in the drawer.
Right, whisk it.
Okay, got to whisk and mix. It's already turning into a dough. Okay, well, it's gonna take a while. I'll speed it up. Okay, so the next step is we pour in the mixture. Now we need spoons. I'm showing the cupcake thing. Not you, don't worry.
No, go on.
Okay.
Actually, pour it.
Alrighty.
Oh, look about even, don't they?
Yeah, they look nice. Little mixture because it will probably puff up. Now we have to make the icing.
No, not yet. They're going to go in the oven.
Okay, so we got to cook these up, and then in the meantime...
Well, you pick them up and put them on the top shelf of the oven.
Okay, top shelf. And over there.
Okay, a cloth.
That was a disaster. I don't want to burn myself.
Leave it.
I didn't burn myself. Now we gotta let it cook. Okay, so now we're making the icing. I'll put it lower. Here we go.
Cut open the icing.
Yeah, sure.
Or I just measure this up.
Alrighty, my mum's measuring. Yeah, I can't cook, so my mum is helping me, obviously. I'll just cut a bit off of the side. Oh, we're already losing some out of the lid. Only lost a little bit. That does not smell nice. It's probably plastic. Okay, so do I pour this in here or there? put in the butter in there. Now the whole powder. Ooh, the powder. There's so much, I'll mix it up.
Very, very carefully.
It's so powdery, I don't know if you can see it, there's powder. Oh, it does not smell nice when you smell it. It's like powder. I don't smell anything. I don't smell. I can really smell the butter. That it's turning purple, sorry. Like you can see the purpleness in there. And there's some yellow. Sorry, my hand's in the camera. That icing tastes disgusting, so we're making normal icing.
Sure.
The icing looks nice, but it tastes disgusting. Like, it's so disgusting. Okay, yeah, I know I'm in my room right now, but we're taking a break. My mum is ringing Farty. Hello, Farty, if you're watching the video. Yeah, and we're gonna make normal icing because that one tastes disgusting. So, enjoy. Okay, guys, that was loud. So, you can't hear me. We're putting this in the bowl. Three of these. One. Two.
Show me how much is in the bowl.
I think I might have put a bit too much. I did put 3 spoons. Oh, okay. Tiny bit more. This much more up? Oh god, the box needs me.
Just put a spoon in.
Another whole
What are you
spoon.
about showing me?
Another whole spoon.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, the box nearly fell. I mean, a spoon is better than a whole box, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I'll tidy it up. Oh god. Okay, can I use this cloth to clean up, or do I not use that? Oh, come on. We're all good. We're all good. Okay, so now we need to get a plastic cup. The blue one is the chosen one.
Fill it up with cold water, only like halfway.
Okay. Okay, I'll do it in the kitchen. I'm living room.
Bathroom.
There. Is this enough or a bit too much?
Doesn't matter because you'll be using a little spoon as long as you can spoon out water. Yeah, you can fit a spoon in there.
Wait, do I pour it all in?
No! Put it on the side.
Yes.
Get a little spoon.
Okay. Take the big spoon out. Get a little spoon. And now what do I do?
Put 1 little spoon of water in the bowl of icing and then mix it. Literally you only need the smallest amount of water now.
Okay, I've done the smallest amount of water.
And then mix it.
Okay. I've got to stick into the bottom of the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna grab all the icing. I think I might need a bit more, Mum.
No. Just keep mixing it.
Pardon me. No, but this isn't icing.
Just wait.
I'm sorry. You didn't have to if you didn't want to.
No, have a look. Keep mixing.
Oh, that was good.
Right. Are you recording? Yeah.
Yes, I am. That's about a little spoon. Just sticking to the spoon.
Yeah. Okay, maybe a little bit more.
Now
Mix
this.
it all, stir it.
Okay. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Yeah, is it looking like icing now?
Yeah.
Literally the tiniest amount. So don't pour any more in yet. I'll have a look. It's good.
It's like
Oh, my.
oobleck. Like it melts, but then when you hit it, okay, no, it's not like oobleck. We should make oobleck. It only takes baking soda and water.
Oh.
It's really cool. Do we need way more like icing?
No, just keep stirring it.
Oh yeah, because it like spreads. Ooh.
No more water in. Don't put any more water in.
I know. Okay. I think this is pretty smooth. Oh, I just got it on my thumb. I got it on my thumb and it tastes so good.
Okay, you might need some more because you've got 6 cakes to cover. Oh no, that might be all right actually. Okay. But you've got to wait for these to cool. They're still hot. Yeah, you take them all out.
Take them all out of this.
No, out of this. And line them up. Let them cool properly because at the minute they're sat in like the hot pan.
I'll keep stirring. Do I need to keep stirring?
Get all the lumps out, yeah.
Okay. There's only tiny, like a tiny
Yeah,
amount.
just try and stir them.
And grab more of the icing sugar off the sides to make it more icingy and sugary. These are going to be so good. And we have Parma violets to put on too.
You can put them wherever you want. I'm going to put on the Parma violet.
True. I think this is enough.
No, still got loads of icing on the edge. Yeah.
So yummy. I'm gonna go check. Okay, you guys can move. I mean, we've got
You only need a pinch on each one.
Me and my mum watched a film. What was it called? Latte and the
Waterstone.
Latte and the Waterstone. This much? Too much.
Yeah, that's right.
Stop dripping. So I'm just going to pour it all in this. You can use all of it. Amazing. It's not sugar.
It is pink sugar.
Maybe a bit more, because there is loads in this.
Not sure.
These cupcakes are going to be so delicious and so pretty.
Yep.
They'll be so delicious and so pretty. And we're also putting Parma violets on them.
Really?
Yeah, remember?
Just leave them like that.
And then we've got a couple.
That one's already had sprinkles. All over the counter. This guy gets extra because he had the least. So he gets loads. Okay, this one's going to be my cupcake. Sprinkle it all over them. These are so tasty. Now I've put some Parma violets on. The darker ones are the ones that came in the packet. Go down!
Yeah, that's going to be mine. We're done with our cupcakes.